Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off Discover in your Google app. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, you have to open your Google app. After that, you have to click on top right your profile icon. Here you have to click on top right profile icon. After that, you have to click on this setting icon. Here you can see setting icon. You have to click on this setting icon. After that, you will see this type interface. Now you have to scroll down and here you have to click on other settings. Here you have to click on other settings. After that, here you will see option discover. You have to turn off this icon. Simply you have to turn off this icon. In this way you can turn off discover in your Google app. This is very quick and easy. Now here you can also turn on by clicking on button. In this way you can turn off and turn on